Hello Intertubes. Okay, today is the day I will re-revive for the second time or third time, however you want to see it, my AW11 1987 supercharged AW11 original manual tin top. It has been flawless until recently. There has been a short in the engine wire harness which keeps blowing the fuse on the car, and I'm not able to get ignition firing as well as fuel, so it cuts out my ECU fuse, which is a 15 amp fuse, and which makes me not able to start the car or drive the car. Obviously no fuel and no spark. So today it's going into the workshop because there is a autocross on the 22nd of this month, which is next weekend, which I'm going to let my wife compete in this car. So this car has got to be ready, reliable again, and and it has to be perfect. Yep, so here we go. We had to make a custom hood stem prop. This came out of a Toyota Vios. We had to cut and paste and make do with what we could. Customized hood stem prop done. We also had a broken plastic hood fuel tank latch. We replaced it with a custom made metal one. At the same time, because we had a small bump in the storage, we had to readjust the front bumper. Also found out that the front right shock is leaking oil. We'll deal with it later on. And we replaced the fuel pumps with Walbro 255 fuel pump. The old pump was a Duratec China made stuff. Finally, we have fuel pressure again, so we're all good and the car starts. Okay guys, so this just like that, I'm driving the MR2 again. Aircon is nice and cold. The radio has been removed to be repaired. Its amplifier is dead. This car is fully stock standard in the inside. It's not even been washed or cleaned after maybe 35 years of not being clean inside. And it's amazing. The car, I've had to refurbish quite a lot of things in the past, in its first process of refurbishment. Rebuild the whole car, and then it's been sitting in storage for about 4 or 5 years. And when I first got it, I didn't have an ashtray cover. It had some interior bits missing. I can't remember anymore because it's been 4 or 5 years since I rebuilt this car. Full engine, supercharger, gearbox rebuild. And because of that, I've got another spare engine and I've got 3 gearboxes. Okay, so we're driving. I don't think this is a very good idea. Whoa. It's got all-in suspension. It's got a Cusco ball extractor and exhaust system setup. It's got underdrive supercharger pulleys, making making 1 bar 1 bar boost. Bump coming up. Still feels as good as always. This car always feels good. 175 wheel horsepower and 1005 kilograms. That's the weight of this car. Feels light, handles great, very responsive, lag-free supercharged engine. Ooh, wow, very hard suspension. I hope you all enjoy this. I sure the hell am. I sure the hell am enjoying myself. Okay, should slow down in here. Awesome blossom. One of the things I love about this car is the fact that it has aircon right down here, which allows the air, the cool air, to blow right up your pants. And for a small car, it has everything. It's luxurious. It can even fold the wing mirrors. It's got a very nice, good, easy to use aircon system. Wiper, headlights. Of course, one of the key features of this car is that it has pop-up headlights and a nice supercharged engine. My goodness, how do I get this open? Ooh, exposures. Crazy exposure. So this is the engine bay of this original supercharged AW11. Everything stock with a underdrive pulley for the supercharger. Don't think you can see it here. And then analogy spark plug cables, fuel pressure regulator. There is a newly replaced fuel pump, Walbro 255 fuel pump that's just put in. We had to drop the fuel tank, that's why it wasn't starting. The fuel pump died. There was nothing wrong with the fuses. The fuel pump was just shorting itself, and then it was just blowing the fuse, and then we had no spark at the ignition due to the cut fuse. All the fans run, everything works. All the oil, all the water, perfectly fine. Interior all stock. RPF 01 rims. Where the engine is supposed to be is also empty. Headlights are popped up at the moment. Beautiful. Looks a bit ugly at the moment because it was hit in a car park while it's in storage. And so this is it. I'm gonna take it to autocross this weekend. Car's ready. Hope my wife is ready. Till then, we'll see you in the autocross.